He got you all in your feelings, but do you know if you're happy? Cause that's the card that I'm dealing.
What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Grace. How are you doing today? Well, in today's tutorial, your girl is all about collaboration. This is my first collaboration, and I'm doing with the one and only Oyinade Adeniyi. She's also a YouTuber. She is into makeup and other fun stuff. This look I'm creating, she is also creating it, but in another style. Okay, so this look is all about sunset goddess and all that stuff. So this is super simple, it's super self-explanatory, but what I'm gonna say is, if you haven't subscribed to her channel, please go ahead and go to her channel, and I will put in the link in the description box so that you can go and check her out. You're gonna love it out there, and you also go and check out how she recreated this look on her. Okay, so yeah, this is super sweet, super good. It's just a way of us, talking to each other, and also doing fun stuff together. And if you are interested in collaborating with me, please reach me out on my Instagram, and we can work together, be it makeup, be it hair, because your girl is all over the place. Yes, I do everything. So yeah, as you can see, this look is super self-explanatory. Like I said, you could just learn one or two things by just watching it. By just watching it, you can learn how to do it. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm just going to keep quiet so you can enjoy the music, and then when we get to the face part, I'm going to show you how to avoid some mistakes during face makeup, because that is what I am mainly going to talk about.
I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already moved up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already moved up. For you, so much for you, but you're already moved up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already moved up.
Now I'm going to explain to you guys a lot of stuff in this single makeup application. This makeup application, I'm going to teach you how to correct certain mistakes which I see that is all what am I going to say, which are always being done in most of the YouTubers or most of the makeup artists or most of the makeup lovers. They do it, and sometimes we can't run away from these mistakes. So I'm just going to teach you how to, when you make them, how you can correct them in makeup. So first of all, I want to moisturize my face, and I'm going with my foundation. The foundation I'm using was Hudabeauty, and my favorite foundation, Juvia's Place, of course. Foundation I use Juvia's Place in Malawi and Hudabeauty in Mocha. So I've just blended everything in, and you notice that I went in with my I spray my face because I noticed that my face was super dry, and I had to spray it with setting spray. This would also help for the makeup to be super dewy and blendable. Okay, now I am going in with my concealer like that. This is how I apply my concealer, guys. This is very effective, guys. We don't need to wear that V kind of concealer on our eyes for us to get full coverage. No. You just have to wear little, and a little goes a long way, guys. Little goes a long way. You literally don't need to wear a full face of concealer for your face to look amazing. Okay, you only need to highlight the places that needed it. So I normally skip the contouring part, but today I decided, because since I'm wearing this sunset look, I wanted everything to be super nice. Now I do contour before I highlight, but before then I have to apply my concealer so that it will dry up a little bit before I blend it out. Why I'm doing that is because I want my concealer to be full coverage. Once it's a little bit, if it's wet, it will be kind of tacky, and no, it will be kind of moving, and it will not feel good, and you will not get that full coverage. But when it's a little bit dry, that gives you a super full coverage, and that is what brings me to don't wear so much concealer, because if you do, you are definitely gonna, I don't know, it's gonna be good, but it's gonna be, I don't know how I'm gonna say it, but it's better you do it this way. Don't waste your product. Okay, now going into the concealer part, after I might have blended in the contour, I had to, for me to get a very nice and clean face, I had to go in with I switched with my foundation brush and all that stuff. Now the concealer part, I left it for too long and it became so dry. Now people complain that that's why they don't leave their concealer for it to dry, dry up like this, because it's always difficult to blend. I got you. I know that feeling, which I'm also into it. Like I will show you in a minute that the thing refused to blend. Like you see, it just got stuck there. Now the first thing you have to do is hydrate your face. Go back with your setting spray and hydrate the face back. Okay, make sure you bring back that moisture, and it's going to come back. When I got to the eye part, I noticed that it's even more drier. It's even more drier than the mouth area. So what I did is that I went back, I dipped in my beauty blender into the concealer, and then I started blending it in. That brought back that full coverage, that yummy look or concealer look I'm looking for. It brought it.
So why you staying so booed up? I've been thinking about you, pulling you close to my arms, wrapping these hands around you. Who else you gonna love? Nobody. Baby, are you ready? Night is ready. Talking key sweat ready.
Now, if you notice that your nose contour is not blending fine, clean up your brush, dip in your brush into your foundation, and then blend in that contour. Please don't come out here making the nose look different. Now to set the concealer or the highlighted areas, I don't bake my face. All I do is I dip in my powder I dip my beauty blender into the powder, and I pat the excess on my palms before applying it on my face. So that is exactly what I do. I don't bake. It makes my eye dry, and it makes me, my eyes watery whenever I do that. Now, once I'm done, the next problem people normally do, which you're going to see what I did here, was apply blush. People will apply blush like as you are someone of color, we want to make sure that it's showing. Now people are scared of it because when they apply it, it's always like too much or whatever, or it's too little. Now I came to love blush because this is just going to show you a typical example of it. When you wear it, when I wore it, it was so much. So now to correct it, all you have to do is to take that same beauty blender, dip it into your powder, and then pat it on those areas. Once you are done, apply your setting spray on it, and that gives you your perfect look. Okay, now guys, this is the end. This is I'm just going to say, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. You're one of the without you I'm not going to be here. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much, and make sure you check out this look on Oyinade Adeniyi's page. I'm going to link it in the description box, like I said. Okay, if you have watched it up to here, thank you so much. You're one of the people who have been supporting me, and I love you so much. And I'm going to just I'm just going to leave it for here. For the lip, which you're going to see in a minute, is a different tutorial. You're going to see it on Friday. Thank you so much for watching me. Thank you so much for always supporting me. I love you. Until next time, bye bye.